crushing miles and chasing goals. Students at Pritchardville Elementary School are going the distance, running lap after lap during gym class as part of the Marathon Kids program. The nationwide initiative is all about promoting health, wellness, and staying active.
Marathon Kids is an exercise that we have to do to keep our body healthy and working the right way that it should. If we don't do it and we stay inactive, it will mess up our body and the way it works, so we always have to exercise, and we have to do an exercise every single day.
I can run, walk, jog. I can do whatever I want as long as I'm walking around the basketball court or gym.
Each lap is tracked in real time as students scan their Marathon Kids cards into an iPad, logging every mile and earning prizes.
You go around once and then you scan on the thing and then you go around again and it just counts how many laps you've done.
We scan them so that when we go back inside, we get miles and we can get bracelets and we get cards on how good we're working.
Since September, students from pre-kindergarten through 5th grade have already run more than 15,000 miles.
We always tell them you get one body, and this is something that's easy that they can carry on through life, whether it's running all the time or walking all the time. And they don't have to do it for long. They average about 12 minutes a week, and it's something that they enjoy. They can talk with their friends, so they really enjoy just getting out here and being active.
Students also log their activity, tracking their heart rate and reflecting on their progress in fitness journals.
We show them at the beginning their resting heart rate. After they do Marathon Kids, their heart rate should be extremely elevated, almost to their max. And if it's not, we tell them, figure out what you got to do during Marathon Kids to get that to rise, and how important it is to have your heart go up and down so that it pumps the blood and keeps it strong, getting it stronger.
Whether they're racing classmates or setting personal goals, the students are pushing themselves every step of the way.
I like running because I like to move my body a lot, and I don't like to sit on the couch and watch shows. I like to be active.
We love to watch them. They'll ask us all the time, do I have the most miles? Do I have the most miles? And we're constantly like, no, you still need to do this. And then it gives them a chance to figure out how they have to get to beat that person, or they'll race out here to see who can get the most laps or the most miles in.
The school has set a goal of reaching more than 23,000 miles by the end of the school year. At Pritchardville Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.